Hey guys, welcome back. Here is the first look of Vivo's Apex 2020. Every year Vivo announced their concept Apex series, and this year in 2020 Vivo is going far beyond the limits with the Apex 2020. Now looking at the Apex 2020 display, it has a 6.5-inch waterfall display that eliminates bezels on the sides, and the extreme 120-degree curve on either side means you get an ultra bezel-less display. And now talking about the volume buttons and power button on the Vivo Apex 2020, you will get pressure sensitive buttons on Vivo Apex 2020. And guys, now the main important highlight of 2020 Apex is the in-display front-facing camera, which will emerge with the display when you are not using the front-facing camera, and when you want to use the front-facing camera, it will be visible. And the in-display front-facing camera will be a 16-megapixel shooter. And now looking at the back for the rear camera, Vivo is highlighting continuous optical zoom between 5 to 7.5x, starting that the phone is first in the world to offer continuous zoom at such level. And now the last highlight of the smartphone is the 60-watt wireless charging, which Vivo calls wireless super fast charge 60-watt. And guys, this 60-watt wireless charging will reduce the charging time up to 60%. Where Vivo says charging a 2000 mAh battery, it will just take 20 minutes. And guys, this is very insane and futuristic. And now finally, the hottest truth is that the Vivo Next 2020 won't be available for public, which is very upsetting, but the features from this concept phone will come in Vivo's next flagship devices. That means you will see 60-watt wireless charging, in-display front-facing camera in upcoming Vivo's flagship devices. That's it for today's guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give us your thoughts about Vivo Next 2020.